In this video, we will learn how to remove Instagram action blocked. So let's begin.
So the process is same for Android as well as iOS devices, so you don't need to worry if you're on Android. First, make sure that you are connected with the internet, and once connected with the internet, what you need to do is simply go and first go to your Instagram account. And here, once you're logged in, simply go to your profile icon at the right bottom corner. Here you can see this would open up your profile. Now you need to simply go and tap on these three lines at the right top corner, tap on settings, and here you need to simply go and log out from your account. Tap on logout, and here you are logged out from your account. Now the second step is simply go and uninstall the Instagram app. In case of Android, you need to go to the settings, and in settings you need to go to apps, and in apps you would be able to search for Instagram and delete it there. In case of iPhone, simply go and tap on the app for a while, and it would until it starts dancing, and here tap on cross icon and delete the app. So once you have deleted the app, in case of Android, simply go to your Google Play Store. In case of iPhone, you need to go to your App Store to reinstall the Instagram app. So once you have reinstalled the Instagram app, you need to go and install any of the VPN that you want to. In my case, I have already installed the VPN Proxy Master. You can install any of the VPN app as you want it. So once you have installed the Instagram app again, simply go to your VPN and connect to any of the server. So here tap to connect. In case of different VPNs, there would be a different interface, but it would almost be similar. So once you have connected to the VPN, again go to your Instagram app and simply go and log into your Instagram account. And now with the VPN, if you go and log in with your account on Instagram, the problem of the action block will be removed. So hope it has helped you in removing the action blocked on Instagram, on iPhone as well as Android. But before you go, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.